In this video, I am going to show you how to fix USB tethering not working on Android. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then head over to Software Information. Locate the build number and tap on it 3 or 5 or 7 times depending on the phone. This action will activate developer mode on your device. Return to the main settings menu. At the bottom, you'll now see the developer options. Tap on it. Scroll until you find USB debugging and tethering hardware acceleration. Ensure both are enabled. Continue scrolling to find default USB configuration. Tap on it and select USB tethering from the options. After adjusting these settings, you can exit developer options. It's a good practice to disable developer options once you've made the necessary changes. Just reconnect your USB cable to the phone. The tethering option should now be active and functioning correctly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.